I don't wanna see you but you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside you.
Sobrang bare face ako ngayon. Sobrang dami kong tigyawat. I'm so Paris. Okay, okay.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jess of Glamformation Makeup by Jess. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please click that subscribe button.
And click the bell for notifications. So, I just realized na hindi pala ako nakapag-film ng intro ko kanina. Kakauwi ko lang, and time check, it's already 5 in the afternoon.
So after ng prenup makeup gig namin kanina, dumiretso na ako magpa-carwa. So I just realized na ayun nga, wala pala akong intro video. Kaya pagkadating ko, naliligo kaagad ako. So ayun, upon realizing na wala pa akong intro, nandito na ako ngayon. Anyway, follow me on my social media accounts. Everything is at Glamformation Makeup by Jess. And I do hope that you would leave a like here down below. Thank you so much! And by the way, we just reached 6,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Sana kasing rami ng subscribers ang mga viewers ko.
So maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe, and sa mga hindi nakaka-subscribe, click the subscribe button, and always watch my videos. Promise magiging madalas na ako mag-post. Promise dadalasan ko na mag-post ng videos. Bye!
Hey you all! What's up? Ayoko na nga mag-English, baka mabash din ako. Anyway, time check, it's 4:25 AM and I'm so excited. Pangalawang gig ko ngayon after the lockdown and...
Hala, hindi pala ako nakapag-shave. Okay lang, hindi naman makita mamaya magmamask naman ako. Okay, nagka-idea siya, hindi na rin siya mag-shave. Wait, pero hindi excuse yung pagmamask para hindi ka na mag-toothbrush ha. Ibang usapan na yun. It's actually advised for you to brush your teeth first before you wear your mask. And maya-maya ng konti, nagpapainit lang tayo ng makina, lalabas na tayo para sunduin ang aking napakagandang hairstylist na si Michael!
Naliligaw pa kami.
Kanya na, nakabahan na nga ako eh. Lord, nasa na po kami? Actually, nasa village na kami. Kaso, wala kaming sticker. Kaya pinaikot kami. Sa West Service Road kami dapat dadaan. Kaso one way. So, hindi kami oh my God, I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Kasi nasa na tayo?
Hindi ko rin sure. Alam ko nasa Skyway tayo.
Nalabas namin, na Bulacan.
Stress.
Ano yung stress?
Ganon. Oh my God. Kaya natin to.
So ano ang nangandaman mo, sir?
Sobrang kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ako familiar sa expressway. I mean, familiar ako ngayon, para yung way kanina. Windang tayo, girl! Saan na tong iikutan? Alam mo yung papunta lang kami Alabang, nakarating na kami Magallanes. Kaloka.
And finally, nahanap na rin namin ng village and let's get the work started!
I don't wanna see you but you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah. You say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, cause I'm floating in your orbit. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand, call my name. You understand, I wanna stay. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. Just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand. I wanna leave, you understand. I wanna stay. Cause I don't wanna walk away. I don't wanna see you but you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, still spinning inside your orbit. I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, cause I'm floating in your orbit. Pull me back, take my hand, call my name. You understand, I wanna stay.
category is social distancing.
Ano na? Pauwi na kami.
Pauwi na kami guys, grabe. Mas matagal pa yung binahe namin kaysa may make-up. Kasi naligaw kami.
Naligaw.
Kasi yung village na yun, sa sobrang exclusiveness. Hindi kami pinapasok kasi wala kami sticker. Sana nagpagawa ako, di ba?
Anong village yun?
Basta yun.
Alabang village.
Alabang Chumenilin. Pero
Mayaman.
naintindihan naman namin kasi for security purposes. So umikot kami, pinapahanap sa amin yung anong tawag dito? West Service Road. Eh sarado
Philippines.
naman. My God, kasi nakarating kaming Magallanes.
So, ayun.
Anyway, samahan niyo ko ngayon kasi another journey of mine will be